Understanding wire fence in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. In this video, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, wire fence. Understanding this phrase is important not just in terms of vocabulary, but also because it helps in visualizing a common object that you may come across in everyday life, in stories, or in news reports. So, stay tuned to learn about wire fences and how to use this term in your conversations. A wire fence is a barrier made from wire. It's used to enclose an area, such as a field or a yard, to keep animals in or out, and sometimes to provide security. Wire fences are common sights in rural and suburban areas. There are several types of wire fences, like chain link fences, barbed wire fences, and electric fences. The term combines two words, wire, a flexible strand of metal, and fence, a structure that divides two areas. A wire fence can be made from different metals and can have various designs and purposes. For example, a chain link fence is often used around homes and parks, while barbed wire fences are more common in agricultural settings. Now let's look at how to use wire fence in sentences. Descriptive usage. The old farmhouse is surrounded by a wire fence to keep the cattle from wandering off. Functional usage. They put up a wire fence to mark the boundary between the two properties. Security context. The airport's perimeter is secured with a tall wire fence to prevent unauthorized access. Agricultural reference. Farmers often use barbed wire fences to contain livestock. By using wire fence in these ways, you can describe physical boundaries and security measures with precision in various contexts. When talking about wire fences, it's good to describe their visual characteristics for a clear understanding. A wire fence can be identified by the material. It's made of steel, aluminum, or sometimes coated with materials to resist weather. The construction. Wires can be woven, welded, or twisted together, each creating a different pattern and strength level. The appearance. Some wire fences are tall with razor wire at the top for security, while others are short and used for decorative purposes. Visual cues are great to learn new vocabulary as they help in remembering and using the term correctly in conversation. That's it for our lesson on wire fence. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what a wire fence is, how it's used, and what it looks like. A wire fence is a practical and versatile structure that you'll be able to identify and discuss in English with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this new term in your English conversations. See you in the next video.